Time for some more gorgeous, glittery, hollow gemstones. Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the Gemstone Collection Part 3 from Damn Nail Polish. This is another gorgeous trio of polishes, beautiful hollows based on beautiful natural gemstones of the world. We're going to start off with Ruby. This is a ruby red with linear holographic, of course, to go with the gemstone rubies. This is really, really pretty, and it's definitely going to be a favorite of mine for some Valentine's nail art coming up. I've already used it for a couple looks, but I haven't posted any of them yet, so keep your eyes peeled for that. This goes on super smooth. In the first coat, it is really opaque, which I didn't expect. The bristles on my brush are kind of messed up on this brush. I need to replace it with a different one, but I didn't realize that until I'd already started filming this, so ignore the weird sticking up ones and the weird way of painting my nails with it. This one, like I said, goes on super smooth in one coat, but it does take two to be opaque. It's very, very pretty, and it has a little bit of that like glowing inside ember that you get with red sometimes that I really, really love. It makes it pop. It's so, so gorgeous. I love reds. I'm big on reds, pinks, and purples, but I don't really wear reds alone a lot of the time. I feel like I should though. Maybe I should try this one out on my opposite hand for a couple days. Next up we have Sapphire. This is a gorgeous blue linear holographic. This one, on the first coat, it goes on really, really deceptively sheer. It looks like it's not going to build up and it's going to take 3 coats, but this one also did only take 2. This is my favorite of this trio. I don't know why, it's just the perfect blue for me. It's like, it's not too dark, it's not too light, it's not navy, it's not leaning like sky blue. It's just like this perfect, beautiful blue, and I absolutely love it. I don't even know what it is about it. It just pops, and it's so, so stunning. As you can see here what I mean by it was deceptively sheer, but when it dries, it does darken a little, and on the second coat goes on flawlessly. No streaking, no spots showing through, didn't need a third coat. It's just perfect. Absolutely loving this one. This is so pretty. This would be really great in like some summer manis or spring. I'm gonna have to play with it with, you know, both of those seasons coming up. Although not as quickly as I'd like. 6 more weeks of winter, 5 more weeks of winter. I'm not sure what the groundhog predicts anymore, 5 or 6. Somebody clue me in on that one. Next we have Peridot. Peridot. I've always called it Peridots. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous green linear holographic. It's not lime. I wouldn't call it a lime green, but it's not really a dark forest green. It's just somewhere in the middle there. And it is so stunning. This is another one that goes on deceptively sheer at first, but it does build up in just the 2 coats. I didn't need a third. I couldn't see any nail line, and it's so pretty. I'm absolutely loving this one. It is gorgeous. This whole trio retails for just $33 for the trio, or the polishes are $11.50 individually, and they are so gorgeous. I will link the shop description below as well as this trio individually below because, you need them. If nothing else, you definitely need Ruby for Valentine's Day coming up. It is beautiful. Here you can see in the still shots how beautiful and bright and gorgeous this green is. I don't even know. And I'm not a big green person, so that's definitely saying something that I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials and everything else. And as usual, everything's going to be linked in the description box, blog post included, and I will see you guys next time.